In primetime news this evening, Jamaicans brace for burial.
And just to update the nation, the country is now under a hurricane watch.
Yes, and the Prime Minister hints that emergency powers could be used where people disobey authorities.
And Hurricane Beryl leaves a trail of destruction in some Eastern Caribbean islands.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. We apologize for the late start. Javon Keys is also here with a preview of what's to come in business news.
Well, Janella, in keeping with the context of what's happening with the possible threat, the threat of burial, the finance minister assures the country that there are enough safeguards in place in the event of the worst. I'll have the details a little later on.
And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Gio, as the country braces for the the hurricane Beryl, there's a cleanup operation at the JFF because they are now on the hunt for a head coach after Jaime Hall-Grimson has left his post. And we'll give you the latest on the national championships, of course, which ended yesterday. The nation missing out on the 4x400 meters for the Paris Olympic Games.
All right, so I know I said that the country is under a hurricane warning. It's actually a hurricane watch, and Romain is here. Well, it's a hurricane warning, right? Okay, so Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janelle. Yes, this is a hurricane warning, and for tomorrow we are expecting fairly quiet conditions across most of the basin. It's a good time to make some last-minute preparations for the pending system we expect on the following day.
And of course, we will go in detail and look at what's to come in the days ahead, right?
Yes, there's also sports commentary on the E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how are you preparing for Hurricane Beryl?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.